On their way to the distant peak of Miracle Mountain, our friends Amy, Hero, Yoya, and Luigi have been caught in a downpour that has continued without let-up for several days now. However, when they wake up on the morning of a new day...
Oh boy, what a good sleep! I feel so refreshed. Looks like it stopped raining. Huh? Hey, what's the big idea, Buster?
I'm very sorry I didn't see you till it was too late. Are you hurt?
No, I guess not. Who are you?
My name is River. I live in the village, down there.
Village? Oh dear, wouldn't you know it? Another country bumpkin.
How do you like the view from up here?
Oh, it's beautiful.
This is the very best view of the village there is. I often come up here and look at it on clear mornings. By the way, what's your name?
Oh, I'm Amy. Pleased to meet you. Can you see your house from up here?
Uh-huh.
Oh.
It's right down there. I'm proud to say my father's the ruler of the village.
Your father's the ruler. This boy might be the prince I've been waiting for all my life.
Come to my house for breakfast. It'll give me a chance to apologize for scaring you earlier.
I'd love to. But actually, I'm not alone.
Hey, no problem. Whoever's with you, bring him along. Bye. Bye-bye.
Bye, River. I guess it's true what they say about the early bird catching the worm.
Worms? Planning on a change of diet?
No, not really. Did you sleep well, Yoya?
Like a log.
Hey, you guys planning on sleeping all day? What is this?
Huh? I'm hearing voices.
Oh, nothing like a
I
good
think
night's sleep.
Amy's already up.
Hey, you guys, wake up! Oh, what a fabulous morning. What? Who the devil's that? What a sensational-looking guy.
Hi there!
I've died and gone to heaven.
Morning, sis.
You're sure up bright and early. What's new?
I wonder who he is.
Who are you talking about? There's nobody here.
Huh?
You must have been daydreaming.
Dream? It couldn't have been a dream. That didn't hurt you, big crybaby. Maybe it was a dream. Well, if so, it was a beautiful dream.
Boy, that's some splendiferous castle.
Are you sure we're allowed in?
I told you he invited me. You guys are just lucky I got him to invite you too.
Welcome, my little friends.
How do you do, sir?
What are we waiting for?
Wow, this is like major impressive.
Tell me about it. Hi, River, it's us.
I bid you all a hearty welcome.
River, I'd like you to meet my friends. Hero, Luigi, and Yoya.
It's totally kind of your lordship to invite us.
Forget all the flowery titles. Let's just get something to eat.
Oh, everything is just so yummy.
Just a hurried snack, but I hope you enjoy it.
This may be your idea of a snack, but I call it a feast.
No, a banquet.
Your praise is far too gracious for the humble table we've set.
Did you say humble?
Oh, now enough of that now. Why don't you tell me about your adventures?
Yum, yum, yum. You got a deal, buddy. Yum, yum, yum.
Oh, hi, Dad.
I need to speak with you, my son.
May I introduce my new friends? These are Amy, Hero, Yoya, and Luigi. They're great. We just met.
Hello.
How you doing?
Charmed, I'm sure, but I must talk with River.
I'm coming, Father. I'm coming.
Look down there. The rains have destroyed the banks of the river, causing great damage in the village. Everyone but you is doing his part to repair the damage. But you do nothing but play all day long. The one thing we're all concerned about, and that doesn't seem to concern you one little bit, is that when the next rains come, the dam on the mountain river might break and wash away our village.
Yes, Dad, I know all that.
Son, I don't think you've been listening to a word I've been saying.
Oh, that's what I call pain.
It hurts, does it? Then get right to work. Remember, one day I'll be gone, and you'll have to take over as leader, so you must start to earn the trust of your people by giving up your wayward ways.
Yes, Dad.
Well, I just hope you start getting your act together.
Oh, excuse me, sir. Since your son invited us to such a lovely banquet, we'd like to help.
All of you?
Well, not me. What could I do? But they're strong.
What? What was it you just said, Amy?
Yeah, what is this? What gives here?
Well, you didn't expect to eat all that lovely food and just leave, did you? Hmm?
You ate more than any of us.
Words fail me.
Let's go.
What?
I have more to say to you, young man.
Huh? Now I know what there's no such thing as a free lunch means.
As the master said, 10 staffel.
Yeah.
You guys are doing a great job. Thanks. Well, I think we've done just about all we can here. Let's pray for all we're worth that the big rains don't come back.
I guess a flood is a real terrible thing, huh?
Oh, it's terrifying. It can take away our homes, our fields, and our lives, all in one swell swoop.
What's that noise?
He's over there. Look, be careful you don't slip and my phone and get all wet and all that sort of stuff. Hey, Amy, your friends are really something.
You can say that again. Hi, guys. How's it going?
You've got your nerve.
Yeah, what's wrong with you pitching in?
Yeah, it's them, all right. You two guys ready back there?
You bet, sis. Ready and raring to go. Just give us the word and we'll spring into action.
Hold on. What's that? Oh, Lordy, it's that gorgeous hunk I saw this morning. I thought it was a dream, but it wasn't. Now, just a sec. That's a rabbit standing next to him. What's he doing schmoozing with a bunny? Talk about infuriating. All right, boys, to the attack. Go!
Gee, sis, I've never seen you this angry.
Just do it!
Here we go.
It's raining boulders!
What the?
Hey! Everybody watch out! Amy! Amy!
Where were they coming from?
A player!
Oh, no. Them again.
Hey, look what I see. Now, let's drop one on that damn rabbit.
The rabbit? May I remind you that according to the boss, we're supposed to take the sword away from the turtle brat.
Be quiet! Do what I tell you. Go! Oh, I think this is going to be one of those days.
What was that?
I knew it was you. You threw those boulders, didn't you?
Of course.
We'll keep following you until you give us the sword.
You foul creatures! Yeah!
Wait for Port Giralta. Here I come. Oh, oh.
Are those two chasing you?
Yes.
Now, just why would they be after you, Sonny?
I think what they want is my sword.
So the boulder was meant for you and your friends. Just look at what it did to all our hard work.
If you three twerps hadn't come, this never would have happened. Now just get out of here.
Yeah, after all, River brought you here, and whatever he does is sure to be a mistake.
Hit the road, bums! Oh. Oh, no. Amy, do you hear me? Amy, you all right? Oh, this calls for CPR. Well...
I can't stand it.
Amy, are you all right?
River, I think you saved my life.
Oh, thank God you're waking up.
I'll show you.
What do they think they're doing, those incompetent slabs of tofu? I can't just sit here twiddling my thumbs. Maybe that dam can be put to use.
Hey, Amy!
As you said, it's really beautiful up here on clear mornings, so I got up early to see it.
Yay! You're all better. That's great. Let's go over there.
Where?
There's a really interestingly shaped rock down there. I want you to see it. We're almost there.
Uh-huh. River, you don't get along with your dad, do you?
You're right. We really don't get along very well at all. He thinks that all I want to do is play around. But that isn't the case. I'm really interested in my country, in the people who live in it. What they need and what they think. That's why I wander around so much.
I understand.
Plus, we only live once, right? I want to make the most of it.
Well, that makes sense.
This is it.
It's fabulous.
People around here call it the Big Drum Boulder. They say it's been watching over us and protecting us for thousands of years.
Wow, that's absolutely amazing.
Now, look over there. They're always yapping about the river and flooding. I say bring down the boulder, divert the flow, and protect the village that way. I think it's the solution to all our problems, but nobody will listen to me.
That's too bad. Look, it's them.
Who?
The ones who attacked us yesterday. Look.
Oh yeah, those three brutes.
I bet they're up to no good. Let's follow them.
What are your orders, Master?
Ah, you're here. Excellent. Break down this sluice gate so that the whole village is flooded.
We're experts in that area, boss. Specialists.
You just want to wipe them all out.
That's great, boss. Simply sensational. We can wipe out that little snot-nosed bunny forever, but can't we spare that big, handsome hunk?
Quit your blabbing and get to work.
Just what do you think you're doing? I asked you a question, mister.
The answer to any maiden's prayer.
Go find that little turtle. Tell him if he wants to save the people here, he has to bring me the coral sword.
Isn't he just all too cute when he's angry?
Huh? He'll never give the sword to a monster like you, so just forget it.
What did you say?
Don't hurt my darling.
What's wrong with you idiots? Get after them! Go!
Are you okay, Amy?
Uh-huh. We have to go warn the people in the village.
Uh-huh.
Wretches!
Hey, boss.
What is it, Huey?
Let me take care of those two. It'll be a pleasure.
What? Imogen is trying to break down the dam?
I couldn't stop them, Hero.
Let's go, Luigi.
Okay, hop aboard. Just watch me shake a tail feather.
Be careful.
Every word I'm telling you is the absolute truth. If we don't do something now, the whole countryside will be flooded soon.
You're telling us they're planning on knocking down the dam? What kind of idiot would do that? Come on.
Yeah, they'd be carried away in the flood themselves.
Are you sure your morning date didn't do something to your brain, River?
We have to act quickly. Let's go to the big drum boulder. Come on.
Come on, everyone. Let's break through. We got no time to listen to this nonsense.
No, wait.
We'll have trouble enough when the storms come.
If that's how you feel, I guess I'll have to bring down that boulder all by myself.
Hi there, handsome. I had a feeling we'd be running into each other sooner or later.
Huh?
Did I startle you? You have no reason to be afraid of me.
Are you here to cause trouble again?
Oh, no. Quite the opposite. I'm here to help you, lover boy.
You help me?
Aren't I smarter and sexier than that wishy-washy wimp of a rabbit, honey? We'd make a great couple.
Scram, Kitty. I don't have time for this kind of stuff.
How dare you? You idiot! You don't know what you're missing, let me tell you. I give the best... Grrr! You're stupider than you are handsome. My vengeance shall be wrathful. Don't say I didn't warn you. Grrr.
All right, let's get this show on the road.
Imogen! Don't go ahead with the senseless act of destruction! The village has nothing to do with this. The pearl is just between you and me.
You played right into my hands, you little fool. Have a taste of this!
I hope I dug deep enough. Now I'll try to push it over.
Are you okay?
This can't be happening. Huh? Father!
How dare you show such disrespect to the boulder that's guarded us for centuries? Now fix it!
But Dad, we absolutely have to topple the boulder.
Be silent!
Father!
What you have done is nothing more than a sacrilege. Now you, go fix it at once.
You shouldn't do that.
Leave it alone!
Pin him down, quickly!
Oh, River!
Sire, look! The river is flowing toward us fast. What do we do?
Huh? Oh no! How can this be?
I guess we really have lost the dam, Sire.
That's just what we were trying to prevent by rolling that big boulder down.
There's no time to waste. We have to get the boulder in place or the village is lost.
Yes, I see what you mean. Everyone get busy and roll that boulder down and put your backs into it.
Yes, sir. At once.
Now you know I don't waste time with empty threats. If you want to save the village, then hand over the sword.
No, never. As long as I shall have this sword, there shall be no fun.
What? I want number 2 primed.
Yahoo! Yes, sir. Ready whenever you are, boss man.
Sure, Oda.
Hey, I think you kind of smudged your makeup. Oh! Oh! Oh!
There! Down goes that village and that creepy rabbit. Oh. Oh.
Can't they do anything right?
Phew! That was close! Wow! What's that? I see what they're trying to do.
Struggling will avail you not, child. Now hand over that coral sword or I'll use this last boulder to destroy the village once and for all.
If I keep this up, the village will be destroyed for sure. Maybe I'd better give him the sword.
Hero! Stick with it! The villagers are trying to topple the boulder to block the river!
All right! Huh? Is it toppled yet?
We did it! We stopped the river!
The boulder's been toppled, Hero!
Did you hear that? I think you'd better give up, Imogen.
I am of the opposite opinion. Take that!
Uh-oh.
I think it worked.
Yes, it worked perfectly. Hey, look! It's Hero and Luigi.
I'll save them. Grab this plank.
Thank you so much, River.
That was close.
What was going on, Hero?
Hey! Look! It's the band guys!
If I ever get my hands on you, Prince Charming and Bunny, I'll choke you! Ah!
You'll get yours, turtle turd!
Maybe, but you'll never get the sword, Imogen.
You three helped save us from a disastrous flood and showed me the great worth of my son. I thank you.
I was able to see Imogen because I got up early that morning. It's true what they say about the early bird catching the worm.
Yeah, but what you really wanted to catch that morning was River.
We all owe River a debt of gratitude.
Yes, he's revealed himself to be the hero of his people.
Just doing my duty. Amy, I hope you come back and see us when you're through with your travels. I'll show you a real good time then, okay?
Yes, I'll do that. Oh my! Will I ever?
Well, I'm afraid the time has come.
It's been my great pleasure getting to know you folks.
Bye!
Bye! So long!
Bye. Good luck!
Bye!
Bye!
Bye-bye! Be careful and come back soon, you hear?
And so River's people overcame the peril of a catastrophic flood. Amid general rejoicing, perhaps only Amy had a grain of longing and sadness in her heart. But the quest must continue, and our friends have surely not seen the last of Imogen and his evil band. Who knows what's in store around the next bend in the road?